Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to complete the lesson which will be the first chapter, and that will be of course of your second NCERT English book, and that would be named as Footprints Without Feet. So we have taken one lesson from the book Footprints Without Feet. Don't go with this WO, that means in shortcut without O, or in simple word it's without. So we are taking now the lesson that is a triumph of surgery. What do you mean by the word a triumph? Triumph means win or success. Now, of course, I'll be dealing with a lot of words which are, of course, of English. From this particular chapter itself. But why I would be discussing those chapters, of course, I'll tell you at the end of the lecture, because there is some activity related to that. Normally, we give this sort of activity to class 8 students or 7 students, but I thought that, okay, there is no fun, which is missing, or there is some spark which is missing, so I thought let's give this activity to you. So without wasting time, let's directly jump onto this topic, that is the triumph of surgery. Now, what do you mean by the word triumph? Triumph means win. Surgery, of course, guys, by curing, that there is an operation table where you perform certain surgical procedures. You cut that particular part, or you perform some kind of operation onto that to make sure that that pain is relieved, or that particular thing which is infected has been removed. So now, what is this story going to tell you? That, of course, we are going to tell you at the later stage. But first of all, what is the story all about? Who wrote the story? Who was the author? So let's see. The name of the author is James Herriot. Of course, please remember the age or the years, that is from 1916 to 1995. James Herriot was a very famous British veterinary surgeon. Okay, James Wright, and commonly known as James Herriot. So he was a very famous British veterinary surgeon. What do you mean by the word veterinary surgeon? Veterinary means a person or a doctor who is dealing with animals. So, of course, we're not talking about humans in this case. So, James Wright is a very famous and well-known author and also a veterinary surgeon. And he has mostly written all the stories and novels based on his own narratives. Now, what is the story going to tell you? What all are the characters? Of course, first of all, the author himself is going to share his experience with you. Second, Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, so Mrs. Pumphrey is a pretty rich mistress, or a very rich person, a lady, and who has a dog, and his dog is named as Tricky, Tricky, Tricky. So these are the so-called 3 characters. Of course, then there are the maids, and there are servants, and there are certain partners of the doctors, but their name has not been mentioned. So we will also, of course, not mention the names of those people. So first character is, of course, Tricky, who is a dog. Second is Mrs. Pumphrey, the owner, and the third is the doctor, that is the author of the story, that is James Herriot. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey has got this dog Tricky, and Mrs. Pumphrey just loves this dog as a pet like anything. Okay, so if you guys have got pet, so of course you know that the kind of love or the kind of bond between you two would be just unexplainable to any other person. So लोगों को लगेगा कि अरे आपको इतना डॉग से क्यों प्यार है, he's just an animal, but of course the owner knows the kind of love or the kind of bond it is being shared between the owner and that pet. So it's no longer a pet, it actually becomes a family member, even sometimes more than a family member. Now, so Mrs. Pumphrey just loves this dog like anything, whose name is Tricky, and because of this sheer love or this extra love, she keeps on overfeeding this poor pet. Okay, why I am saying the word poor pet? Because in the first paragraph itself, or I think in the second paragraph, you would find the words when this doctor is just passing over, and he sees that Mrs. Pumphrey is now carrying this dog for just a walk. outside the house, and he sees the dog and he uses the word that he looks like a big bloated sausage. Now, what do you mean by sausage? Sausage is nothing else but is normally used in European countries a lot. So, what sausage is actually minced meat. When you thrash the meat very, very finely and you put it in those cylindrical tubes, so it gets a cylindrical shape, and normally it is being put, in a number of different things like hot dog. Okay. Anyway, no, not that hot dog. That's a dish hot dog. Anyway, so as I've written, chapter is a narrative of his experience. I already told you the name of the characters, that is Tricky Dog, owned by rich mistress Mrs. Pumphrey. As I also told you that the dog is very pampered, and he is overfed by the owner, and which is taking now a toll on his health. So he is not keeping very well because he is now becoming obese, very fatty, and he is not keeping very well. He is pretty becoming lousy. He is not getting interested into going out and walking and all sort of things which normally dogs do. Now, as soon as this doctor sees Tricky, roaming on the road with Mrs. Pumphrey, of course, and he immediately, pulls over the car. Pulls over means he stops the car and asks Mrs. Pumphrey, as in, what is this? I mean, why are you not taking care? I mean, the proper care. And Mrs. Pumphrey, without wasting time, immediately replies that how much he just loves the dog, and says that I just cannot control and I can't see when he is hungry. So I keep on feeding him with n number of different things, like I feed him with cod liver oil, I give him extra supplement of Horlicks and all this and all that jazz. Listening to this, a doctor also becomes a bit stern. When I'm using the word doctor, of course I'm talking about the author, which is the James Harriet. So he becomes a bit stern and he says that, see, I'm warning you, you shouldn't do this, otherwise he'll become seriously ill and then you need to call me over again. So it's your choice, but you need to take, good care of him. And she says, okay, fine, doctor, from now on I'm going to do this. जैसे एकदम अपन लोगों में एग्जाम के टाइम पे एक सर्च आ जाता है, ओके अब हम पढ़ेंगे, वैसे ही वाला उसके अंदर भी एक एक्टिविटी आई, and then finally things got over. But doctor was really concerned because he knew the love shared between Mrs. Pumphrey and the dog, and he knew that very soon he is going to receive a call about that the doctor is just not coping with it and he needs to perform, some sort of surgery or something at all. And as doctor was thinking about all this, after some time, doctor actually receives a call from Mrs. Pumphrey. And Mrs. Pumphrey was very distraught, she was very sad, and she said, doctor, you need to come urgently because this dog is just not getting up, he is not playing, he is not eating his meals. Of course, when there is so much in the stomach, then how can a dog, eat? But Mrs. Pumphrey is thinking, ये और क्यों नहीं खा रहा है, ये तो weak हो जाएगा ऐसे. And Mrs. Pumphrey is continuously thinking about कि कल को मेरे डॉग ने यदि पूरा का पूरा न्यूट्रिशन उसको नहीं मिला, then he might be suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition means what? Means absence of the essential nutrients in your body. But the dog is already very obese. But because of the love of Mrs. Pumphrey, the dog is simply being continuously pampered and overfed. So finally, when the call came to the doctor, then the doctor himself visited and suggested that Tricky needs to, be hospitalized. The main objective of saying this sentence was the doctor knew that he needs to take Tricky out of this home. Otherwise, if this kind of pampering will keep on going on, then it will lead to a severe illness. So doctor simply asked that, you should allow Tricky to be hospitalized for at least a fortnight, and by the time I'll keep on curing him, and of course it will be or he will be under my supervision, and by the time when he is all cured, then you can collect him back. So of course, since Mrs. Pumphrey also loved Tricky so much, and that's the reason why she said, okay, fine, you can now carry on. You can take him. But Mrs. Pumphrey was just not very sure because she was so sad because there was a huge bonding between the dog and the owner. Now, as soon as when the dog was about to be, carried over by the doctor himself in the car, the entire staff, the maids and the servants kept on bringing all kind of different bowls that ये उसके breakfast का बाउल है, ये उसके lunch का बाउल है, ये weather winters के टाइम पर पहनेगा, ये summers के टाइम पर पहनेगा. As in the as in the dog is just going somewhere else. So doctor was very patient. He was just listening to it, and he just wants to immediately rush out of the home so that no further pampering can be again done on the dog. At the clinic, when finally the doctor pulls over his car and reaches his clinic, then he carries this this little dog, and he's very feeling very pity. As in, I know that you are missing some sort of cake, you are missing some sort of those games which you guys play with your own herd. Herd means your own community, and I'm sure that you would be fine over here. So doctor has already thought about a cure, and definitely that's not a surgery. Now, what do you mean by if it's not a surgery? Sometimes you just need to play with all these pets to make sure that they are absolutely fine. Sometimes you just need to leave them with their own community, their own herd, to make sure that they feel robust, they feel pretty muscular, they feel energetic, they feel like the normal of the world or the best of the world. Now let's see. So at the clinic, other dogs searched around him and found him uninteresting. Why? There were other dogs also in the doctor's clinic, and those dogs just kept, because any new person or any new member is going to come to the clinic and everybody is going to look, oh, there's a new member within our community, and they kept on looking at Tricky. But since Tricky was not moving, was not showing any kind of energy or enthusiasm to play, so all of those dogs simply just left him, that okay, he's just motionless object, okay, let's ignore him. So nobody played with him. One day, 2 day, doctor was of course continuously observing him. But what doctor did not perform a surgery. Doctor did not give him the food for at least 1.5 days or 2 days. And at the end of second day, during these 2 days, of course, doctor was only feeding Tricky with plain water. So doctor बस केवल Tricky को plain water ही दिया जा रहा था, उन्होंने खाने के लिए कुछ दिया ही नहीं, because उसके already stomach में इतना सारा खाना था, right? After the second day, Tricky started, whimpering a bit, करने लगा, and all the other dogs also, came in, and they also, smelled, and वो जो dogs को अपने कभी roll करते हुए देखा होगा, they kept on checking him, and then finally, Tricky went with the herd and started playing. So now doctor became sure that now Tricky is recovering, and very soon he'll be fine. In सबके बीच में, as you know that Mrs. Pumphrey was a very rich lady, so Mrs. Pumphrey kept on calling doctor that okay, how is Tricky and what is he doing? आप प्लीज उसका ये वाला क्वेश्चन ले लेना, उसको रात में इसमें सोने की आदत है, उसमें दिन में इसमें करने की आदत है, this and that and this and that. But of course doctor kept on ignoring all those kind of requests from Mrs. Pumphrey. But after some time, Mrs. Pumphrey sent certain items, and what did Mrs. Pumphrey sent? Mrs. Pumphrey sent a huge, around a dozen or 2 dozen eggs for home, for of course Tricky, and also some wine to make sure that blood levels, increase, and Tricky becomes a bit more energetic and recovers faster. Now doctors see all this kind of luxurious material for Tricky, which he is trying to not give it to him during this tenure of Tricky staying with the Tricky staying with the doctor. So doctor said, okay, then let's now consume, or let's start consuming all of the things which actually Mrs. Pumphrey is sending for his dog by ourselves. So doctor along with the partners starts consuming the eggs and the wine also. So doctor ने ये जानबूझ करके नहीं किया. डॉक्टर ने बोला ये सारी की सारी चीजें वेस्ट जाएंगी, एंड ये वेस्ट जाने के बजाय हम लोग क्या करें, हम लोग इसको खुद ही कंज्यूम कर लेते हैं. बट क्यों कंज्यूम कर लेंगे? बिकॉज इफ यदि ट्रिकी ने वापस से ये खाया तो जो बड़ी मुश्किल से जो सही हुआ है वो ऑफकोर्स फिर से अगेन severely ill हो जाएगा. Next. So at the end of the second day, Tricky started whimpering and played with others, which I already told you. At the it's not Trick, it's Tricky. Okay, so Tricky had time of his life playing with other dogs, and Mrs. Pumphrey was anxious. I already told you. Now, Tricky actually, from very starting, actually wanted to play with his own community, his own herd. But now, for the first time, he got this kind of chance to play with all the other dogs, and he is feeling quite jovial, quite energetic. He's having his meals on time. Of course, the requisite amount of meals जितना उसको जरूरत था, उतना उसने time पर लेना start किया. So everything is going fine. बाय द टाइम ड्यूरिंग दिस डे ये जो लग्जूरियस आइटम्स के अंदर धीरे धीरे और ज़्यादा इंक्रीमेंट होना चालू हो गया. सो अब मील्स भी आने लगे. मील्स मतलब प्रॉपर लंच आने लगा, डिनर आने लगा ट्रिकी के लिए. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, डॉक्टर नेवर एवर गिव एनी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर आइटम टू द डॉग, एंड ही केप्ट ऑन कंज्यूमिंग ऑल दोज आइटम्स विद, of course, with themselves and with their partners. One of the moment, it is being clearly mentioned in the story that doctor thinks that let us keep Tricky as a permanent guest. इतना अच्छा खाने को डेली आ रहा है हमारे लिए. I mean, of course वो ट्रिकी के लिए था, बट वो डॉक्टर उसको नहीं दे रहा था. तो एक बार उनको लगा कि ऐसा ही डेली खाना यदि आता जाए तो हमें ट्रिकी को भेजने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम ट्रिकी को यहीं रखेंगे. बट देन ऑफ कोर्स बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, then somewhere or the other, the conscious also kept on calling, and then he felt that it is wrong to now furthermore keep Tricky, as Mrs. Pumphrey would also get very anxious. So seeing that kind of emotion, then doctor immediately gave a call to Mrs. Pumphrey and said that now the dog has finally convalescing or convalescing. Okay, convalescing. So where is that word? I've written somewhere over here. So it is convalescing. Sorry, not convalescing. It's convalescing. So doctor, when he used this particular word, that is convalescing, to whom? To Mrs. Pumphrey, and then Mrs. Pumphrey felt fine. Because whenever Mrs. Pumphrey, kept on calling doctor and said that, okay, doctor, are you sure that dog is fine? Are you sure that he is living? Are you sure he is going to be fine? And doctor जब भी normal words use करता था, नहीं, he is recovering better, he is fine, he is eating his food, तो Mrs. Pumphrey को विश्वास ही नहीं होता था. Then doctor used this term, which is convalescing. Now, what do you mean by the word convalescing? Convalescing means gradually recovering from an illness. अब यदि आप देखोगे, पूरी स्टोरी पढ़ोगे, तो ये कोई खास इलनेस है नहीं, बट स्टिल डॉक्टर ने ये वर्ड यूज करा टू मेक श्योर दैट आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू दिस हेवी वर्ड, Mrs. Pumphrey would be less anxious, and Mrs. Pumphrey would think that I have given my dog or pet to a very nice doctor who knows actually how to perform the surgery, because she is under this view that doctor is performing a surgery. Okay. So doctor said that yeah, he is convalescing rapidly, and that finally now comforted Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky is in the right hands. Finally, एक जगह पर एक sentence लिखा है that when this moment came, that when the brandy also start coming in, brandy is a kind of an alcoholic beverage, and which is of course not to be fed to a dog. So then doctor said that okay, now I think it's all over. Now we need to send Tricky back because Mrs. Pumphrey is really feeling anxious about Tricky. So doctor ने immediately call किया. Next day, of course, a glowing metal silver box. That means they are talking, of course, about a car आई. And Mrs. Pumphrey अंदर बैठी हुई थी. And doctor ने बोला, you don't need to get out. I'll get Pumphrey right over here. And Mrs. Pumphrey, of course, was just clasping hand. Okay, hey भगवान, please, मेरा Tricky एकदम सही हो. And Tricky was now, of course, in a much more better format. He was muscular, he was good, he was playing, he was jovial. There was a different kind of energy, right on his face. And as soon as he saw his master, oblique mistress, and he immediately started licking the master, because dogs क्या करते हैं, of course lick करते हैं just to show their affection towards the owner. Doctor, before leaving that particular place, said to not the doctor, Mrs. Pumphrey said to this particular doctor that I am just so thankful to you that you got my Tricky back, and I'm sure that this is a triumph of surgery, कि ये जो आपने जो सर्जरी करी है ये सब उसी की वजह से हुआ है. Moral of the story, actually there was no surgery performed right from the story. That's what we got, right? But still they think I mean, they means whom? The patients and all the other members think that yes, there is a surgery performed. So what's the moral of the story? Though of course that's a fun, nice, humorous, nice, no teaching kind of a story. But still, the moral of the story should be that we shouldn't pamper anything, be it by the way the son, a kid, a pet, beyond a particular level. So you should keep a close eye. You should, love that particular character, be it, an animal or a man, but you shouldn't over pamper anybody at all. Now, the second part, let's talk about the difficult words. First word is of course the word triumph or the triumph or the trump. Okay. So the triumph means win or success. So the chapter's name is A Triumph of Surgery, means win of surgery, finally success of surgery. But actually, this particular success happened because of doctors, normal common sense, and he did not perform any surgery. Sausage, as I told you, that it is finally minced meat shaped in cylinders. Malnutrition, it is lack of proper nutrients in body. Okay. Rheumy is that a liquid which a dog continuously secretes because of the mucus glands. Mucus glands, जो mucus saliva secrete करते हैं, that is that. Okay. So not actually saliva, but mucus is a different thing. So rheumy is a watery discharge from a mucous membrane. Convalescing, now what do you mean by the word convalescing? That is recovering from illness. Lolled, ये of course dog के लिए use हुआ होगा word lolled. Lolled is of course to sit, lie or stand in a lazy and a relaxed way. बैठ गया, चुपचाप उठ गया तो उठ गया. Hastened, ये of course second paragraph के अंदर use हुआ है when the doctor sees Mrs. Pumphrey carrying his dog for a walk out, and then it is hastened when Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to reply, quickly replied, no, I am taking good care of him, I am just feeding this and that and this and that. Okay, so that is hastened. Listless, lacking energy, I am just listless, I don't know what to do. So, lacking energy and enthusiasm. Distraught means extremely worried. When do you think this particular word would have been used in the story? When Mrs. Pumphrey would have called whom? Called the doctor, as in how is this dog? Okay, what is the condition of his health? Also, it must be that condition when doctor is taking away Tricky to his clinic. Scrimmage, rough or confused struggle. Okay, so rough or confused struggle as in all the dogs are just coming and finally just seeing it, and he's just not giving botheration to all those dogs, he's just lying. So that is scrimmage. Okay, so this is all about the story. So I'll just get aside. So just in the case if you want to take a snapshot, you can. Okay, fine. So guys, thank you so much for being with me. Let's move on to the next chapter. Bye guys, take care.